we have seen multiple bar graph. In this part, we will consider percentage bar graph. Percentage bar graph means the categorical values are converted into percentage. There are some difficulties in considering directly given value, scale or other things. So the given data is converted into data into percentage. Firstly, the total of the given items, and then convert raw scores into percentage, and then draw the bars. This percentage bar graph can be drawn horizontally, vertically, or in group form also. That means in various form we can use percentage bar graph. So we will consider one example. The example is compare the monthly expenses of two families by suitable bar graph, or by suitable expenses of two families are given, and the items are groceries, electricity bill, medicine, vegetables and clothing. We will prepare the title of the graph. The title of the graph is comparison of expenses of two families. Now we have to convert the data into percentage. Firstly, consider the data regarding first family. Total of expenses of first family is 16,500. So calculate or compute the percentage of each item. That means for expenses for grocery are 5,000. So convert 5,000 into percentage considering the total 6,500. That means you can find the percentage as 5,000 divided by 16,500 and multiplied by 100. By using such type of formula, you can find all percentage. That means we can convert the raw data into percentage. We have to compare the expenses of these two families. So we will use here multiple bar graph, but the data is converted into percentage. So draw the coordinate axis. We will draw the coordinate axis. Vertical axis is y-axis and the horizontal axis is x-axis. Their point of intersection is origin. Mention the measurement unit along the x-axis. We will take items, and along y-axis we will take expenses. Expenses are given in rupees. Now consider first item, grocery. We will use short form for showing the consider some particular space from origin or between bars. So first is grocery. So we will use for this GR. GR means grocery, and we have to use multiple bar graph. So first bar for first family and second bar for second family. So like this. Then next item is electricity bill. So we will use EB. Then medicine. For medicine we will use MD. Then vegetables. VG for vegetable. And next is clothing. Decide the scale. So scale along y-axis. Along y-axis we will take 1 unit is equal to 10%. And along x-axis we have taken items. Mark the point. Say 1 unit is equal to 10%. So 10, 20, 30, 40, then 50, 60, 7. Now consider the item grocery. Now monthly expenses of the first family for grocery is 30.30, and For second family, 30 means we take approximately 30. So mark the point at 30. And next is for second family, the expenses in percentage are 36.36. So take this point at 30, 36. This first bar shows the expenses of first family. Say the percentage is 30.30, and for second family the expenses are 36.36. So this 36.36%. Now consider the item electricity bill. For first family 9.09%, and the expenses of second family for electricity are 6.25. So we will consider the points. Say 9 means, say here 9. And 6.25. So somewhat here 6.25. So we will show here 9.09% and here 6.25%. This is expense for second family. Now we can use the design also here. Say for first family we can use the horizontal lines, and for the second family, for first family we can use horizontal line, and for second family we can use vertical lines. Now for medicine, for first family the percentage are 6.06, and for second family 7.86. 6.06, that means here for first family, and for second family 7.81. So we can take this as 7.81. 6.06%, and for second family 7.81%. Now consider the item vegetables. For vegetable family the expense is 18.18. So consider the point 18. Say up to 18.18%. It is for first family, and for second family the expense is 6.04. So consider the point 26. So here it is 26.06%. Now the last item is first family 36.36. That means here 36.36% for first family. Second family 23.44%. So consider 23.44%. In this way, we have drawn the bar graph, multiple bar graph considering percentage. So here index the design also. So such a type of design is used for first family, say family 1, and the vertical lines are used for second family. In this way, in this part we have drawn the percentage bar graph. It is also group bar graph. It is useful for the comparison of two groups. Now in next part we will consider the deviation bar.